In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from one PlayStation 5 account to another and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can transfer any amount of funds from one PlayStation 5 account to another, we can go to the PlayStation.com website and in here hover over Support. On their support page, you can find answers to various different questions. With the search function, we can look for two keywords. First, if we look for transfer and we select the support results, as you can see, only 7 results pop up. Save and transfer PlayStation Plus games. Transferring data between PlayStation 4 consoles, data from PlayStation 4 to PS5, and all of these other ones don't relate to anything when it comes to transferring funds or money. As you can see, they're all related to settings on the consoles or transferring data and not funds. So let's try looking for funds instead. As you can see, 6 results pop up, with 4 of them being errors. The only 2 that seem relevant are only related to adding funds, and the other one is another error code. It seems that as of today, it is impossible to transfer any amount of money from one PlayStation 5 account to another. Unfortunately, if you have funds remaining on one account, you need to spend them on that account. It is impossible to transfer them to another one, and as of today, there doesn't seem to be any workaround to this. While you can try contacting their customer support, it is very unlikely that they will be able to transfer any amount of funds from one account to another. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of transferring funds from one PlayStation 5 account to another and why it's not possible to do this. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.